Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Gary. This is my boat, Ocean Strider, and yeah, back on the boat, weekend. Right, if you come in, I've had a bit of a clean. Progress. Rudder indicator in. Oh, what is this? Well, actually, it's got to be powered up, so that's not very good, is it? So rudder indicator in, one of the fuel gauges in, and I've just got another package. So, how do you open your Amazon packages? There we go. That's cool. I was doing really well then, one-handed. Now it's scuppered me. That noise you can hear in the background is my toasty. I'm just going to stop that and go and eat it. I think I've got the wrong thing. We'll have a look. Let me open it up and I'll have a look, but I think I might have got the wrong thing. But that hose looks a bit... This is definitely Chinese. The filter looks very cheap and nasty. Yeah. This feels quite heavy though. I think that might actually be aluminium, and it is aluminium, not aluminum. Aluminium. How it's spelled? Aluminium, not aluminum. Right? Yes, it's aluminium. Yeah, we'll see. Let me see, read up about this and see how I'm going to put it together, and then I'll show you putting it on the engine, see if it works, or I might do it a completely different way. Hot water. Make that a little bit flexible, so we can get that here. Maybe I should have my other hand. Maybe it's not as flexible as I thought it was. Come on. It's actually strong. It's actually not doing what I wanted it to do. Oh, come on, you. I should have been on. Right, that's the plan. Hang on. I can't film and do it at the same time. Holy moly! Right, that's on. I've just got to get a hose clamp on there. So my plan is, what I'm going to do is, because the fumes come out of here, no oil comes out of there. I really should put it onto an oil catcher here, which I bought, so that will come out of there, through there, into there, and then I'm going to filter it back into the engine. Yeah, because basically what's happening at the moment, there are fumes coming out of here from the engine. Obviously it's starting to fill the boat, which is not great, so that's the plan at the moment. Obviously that pipe is different to that pipe, so I've got a couple of connectors that I've got to put in around, and then I've got to cut that one, and then he says I've got this little one here, fits into there, and then that pipe will go over the top. this goes into there, that pipe goes over the top. I can't see there being any problem unless oil gets in there, but then it's going to go straight into the engine, so it's going to burn anyway, isn't it? So if I'm doing anything totally wrong, can you just comment and let me know and tell me I'm an idiot, please? But so this is just going to be my breather, so my breather's going to come through there. Yes, I could put this on, it's oil catcher, but there's no actual oil coming out that I can see. Yeah. Then I'm just going to pipe it back into here for now. Yeah. And then we'll see. If it looks like it smokes a lot and there's lots of oil coming out of there, then I'll put that oil catcher on. But for now, I'm just going to try it this way. So, right, let's get on. Right, I've got that one on. Just got to tighten this up. Too loose. Oh. Right. What my thinking is, it's not going to fall down onto anything that's moving. So my thinking is, if I leave it long and connect it here like that, and then just cable tie it so it doesn't move for now. If I need to introduce that bit, I can easily find a place down there to do it. I just need a longer one of these bits, or I could do a connection. I could do a connection down here somewhere. I mean, I might even do that. I might just join it up and see if I can fit that somehow. It's going to be putting a bracket on, really, isn't it? Maybe if I could go, I might be able to get on that there. Alright, leave it with me. Let me see what I can do. I know I've got to join that one anyway, and then I could cut that one. Alright, I still haven't used it. So, my thinking is, what I've done is, let's come off the top there anyway, so it's just a breather. I mean, it should have gone from there into something there, but I've got to keep this low because it's got to come under here. So it's basically, this is obviously where the air filter comes through, and then the air is distributed this side and this side to the engine. So this is just going to come back through here, up here, and then there. So I've left it long. If I find out that I've got a bit of a problem, I'll put this on. But my problem is I've got to get a bracket to fix it down there in the right place, which is a problem. And then these are too fat for that pipe. So yeah, I'm going to start it up now and see if it goes bang. If it goes bang, it's your fault. If you like these videos, like, subscribe, ding the bell, and I'll catch you on the next one. Right, it's been running for about 10 minutes, the engine. I can't smell any fumes, so they must be going back. They must be going back into the engine and coming out the back. It's a little bit smoky, but I haven't run it for about 2 weeks, so yeah. Starlings. Cleaned all this. All up there, look. A couple up there. All them boats are covered in them. Oh no! They're here. They're watching me. Troubles in, them little fellas up there. Oh, see that? They've hit me. They've been eating the blueberries. Is it blueberries? No, blackberries. Blackberries. And they cover me. For some reason, he ain't covered. Oh, he actually is. So, yes. I'm going to wait for it to move away. Oh. Blackberries. I love them. Stay in my boat though. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Hey, don't you sit up there. So that'd be nasty. Oh, that's one gone. Two. Come on, wait. Shift it, shift it. Three. I didn't and what are you talking about? They'll be back. Oh, clean my boat. Right. Like, subscribe, ding the bell.